welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 4. One of the first things you want to do is open Premiere Pro and then go to Open Project, navigate to your lesson files, and choose Lesson 04. Say Open, and if you're working in a newer version, you're going to get this here message for converting the project. Go ahead and say OK. After the project opens, the book is wanting us to make sure our editing layout is reset to saved layout. And then once it has been reset, go to File, Save As, and the book is asking us to name it Lesson 04 Working. So I'm going to go ahead and change that and then choose Save. So the reason we always save these new versions is so if there's a problem, we have our original files to go back to that were unedited. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the panels down here in this area, such as the project panel. So anything you see above the top here, these are the panel names. Down here where you see frame rate, media start, media end, those are your column headings. If you get this little arrow right here, that is considered your hidden panels button. So you click that, you can see more than what was listed up here. Okay, if you need to search for something, the magnifying glass, you type in there. And then if you see the purple film icon with the green waveform, that is a clip. This is actually a video clip. Anything in here would be considered a clip. As you can see, this green one is just a WAV file, and this here one is an Illustrator file. So those are considered clips. This one that has multiple lines with the playhead is considered a sequence. So these are all terms that we've heard in the other videos. Hopefully it's starting to sound familiar, starting to get a little bit easier for you. Down here, this green pen is toggle between read and write and read only. Right here is to switch to list view. This here is icon view and freeform view. The slider next to this allows you to zoom in and out on the information. So if you're struggling to see it, you can actually make the clips larger and smaller. It's the same way we use the timeline one to see more or less on our timeline. There's a bar down here. This one just has a little adjustment slider. This icon will allow you to sort icons. This here is to automate the sequence. Here's another find option. Here is a really good one for folder structure. That's your new bin icon. If you need to make a new item, such as a solid color background, a new sequence, right here, this is your new item one that you'd click on. And then if there's something in your bin or panel that you don't want, you can click on the little trash can and that will remove it from your actual project. That doesn't mean it's been deleted from your actual computer, it's just from your project panel. All right, one of the things, as I'm currently in list view, that's this one right here. If you are not, you can click that. This other information that you're seeing is called metadata, and it has a lot of good information. We're going to get into that a little bit further on into this chapter. One of the other things that you can do in your lesson or project panel is this menu icon right here. If you click that and then choose preview area, let's go ahead and find preview area right here. If you engage that, you now see an icon here, and it has more data such as frame size, file name, pixel aspect ratio, and duration of the clip. So there's some good information here, and this is another way to view it. You can click the little play button, or you can stop it and you'll see the clip actually playing. So if I choose a different one, you'll see that it updates here as well. So lots of good metadata and other information in the preview area. Our book is going ahead to tell us to close that, so you just click on the menu again and then uncheck preview area, and now it's gone. In the next video, we will look more at the project panel.